Do you know at least 1 out of every 2 HR jobs requires you to have PGDHRM? BiMS was the first institute in Bangladesh to offer PGDHRM as a professional course. In 2004, we introduced postgraduate diploma in human resource management. At that time, no other institute in Bangladesh offered any course with the title PGDHRM. Since 2004, we have played a prominent role in HR education by linking global practices with local needs. Our course develops sound knowledge of labor law. It also introduces students with contemporary topics like HR analytics and compliance management. PGDHRM can be studied on campus or through distance learning methods from anywhere in Bangladesh. For details, visit our website www.bimsedu.com or call us at 01-717-251585.